Yes, I am Sajjad Hussain Shah. Welcome you to my channel Dubai Driver 512. The purpose of our channel is to give you people Dubai driving information. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that every informative video can reach you. Today we will discuss how much salary is a truck driver in Dubai. There is no doubt that the driver's salary is very good, but not in all the companies. There are some companies in which the driver salary is good. Now we will divide the driver salary into three categories. One is the driver who runs along the borderline, how much is their salary. And the second is the driver who runs within the local countries, how much is their salary plus trip commission. And third is the driver who driving in a British company or in some good companies, their mostly monthly base salary is fixed and their salary is very good. They will also discuss about it. If any driver is running on the borderline, his salary will be 1800 dirhams or 2000 dirhams and his 10% trip commission. For example, if the vehicle does a business of 20,000 dirhams, then the driver get commission will be 2,000 dirhams and the salary will be 3,800 or 4,000 dirhams. It's a good salary, not average. But every time the work is not good, due to which many times the salary of the driver is less than 3,000 or 3,000 dirhams. The drivers who are working locally inside country have a fixed salary 1800 or 2000 dirhams as well as a trip commission. Sometimes they get a salary 4,000 or above, but not all time. Sometimes they have less than 3,000. And the driver who work in a British company or a good companies, cargo companies, construction companies, safe zone companies or airport companies like that have a fixed salary and it is mostly from 4,000 dirhams and above. And they have a schedule timing of work from morning to evening, and they have a yearly package plan, leave package, air tickets, etc. No, driver job is not so easy, whether he runs on the borderlines or local. But if we come to the conclusion, the most difficult driver is the driver who runs on the borderline. It is the driver who faces the most difficulties. Many times it is the problem of custom papers, and many times it is the problem of visa. He stay on border 4 and 5 days without fresh foods and without toilets and bathrooms. Many times it is the problem of truck breakdown. But who work in a British or good companies, he is not faces like that problems. So I will be salute to all drivers, especially who runs on borderline or transit line. I humbly thankful to those people, to those drivers who carrying materials from one country to another countries and faces a lot of problems. I hope you will like our video.